Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. I'm Simon Legreda from FS Group, and today I'm going to show you how to work on Excel automation. So before we start, you might be asking yourself, well, what is Excel automation? Well, Excel automation is a fancy way of saying that we will basically grab a repetitive task or tasks and hand them over to a bot. In this case, one made with Electronic Studio Pro. So as you can see, I have a little icon here on my desktop that says Excel Automation. It's how I've decided to name it. So what you will see is this little bot icon, and you will see it in your desktop or wherever you decide to save it. So in this case, this bot has been created to prompt you to choose your Excel file. Here I have two Excel files, which we will choose, and we will make sure that their values, everything that is within them, is exported to a separate .csv file so that we can make sure that everything is working well. So let us check the first file. We see that we have some names here. We see that we have days of the week and some values. If we check the second one, we also see that it shares somewhat of the same format. And without further ado, let's get into it. So we'll double click the icon that says Excel Automation. And now it has prompted us to choose an Excel file. So we'll choose Demo01. We see that it runs in the background and that the workflow has finished successfully. Let us go now to this separate .csv file, and we can see the values. Let us run the second one, which is Demo02. Notice how the electronic bot runner always notifies us about any change or whatever it is that we're doing. You always get a little pop-up here. And notice also how the program runs in the background. It does not interrupt any process. It's not CPU heavy or intensive. So let us run the second Excel file. Once again, it has finished successfully. So now let us check the .csv file again. And we can see that we have our values.